Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Disrupt Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. We're on question 2.3 from the 2018 Maths Lit Grade 11 Paper 1. This question deals with reading data from a table, particularly a water tariffs table, as well as calculating the pricing of the water usage and VAT. So it starts off by giving us table 3, which shows the domestic water tariffs for 2018 used by the local municipality that Ms. Fussy lives in. So if we look at this table, it gives us the number of kiloliters used. So if it's from 0 to 6, it's 0, excluding VAT, 0 Rand. And if it's above 6 kiloliters but less than 30, it's cost 10 Rand and 2 cents per kiloliter, excluding VAT. And then table 4 shows the meter reading by the local municipality, which indicates the amount of water the Fussy family used for May and June 2018. So you can see over here, it shows us that in May it was 561 kiloliters, and by the time it got to June, it went up to 587 kiloliters. And then it says for 2.3.1, calculate the cost of water usage for May 2018, excluding VAT. So for this question, we first need to find out how much water was used. So using this table, we must take the total from the beginning of June and minus what was read in the beginning of May, and that's going to give us the total water usage for May. So 2.3.1, our water usage is equal to 587, and this is in kiloliters, minus 561 kiloliters is what we measured for the beginning of May. So again, we get those numbers from here, and we put this into our calculator. So 587 minus 561 is 26 kiloliters. Okay, so that's our total water usage. Now we need to use that information to determine how much we need to calculate the cost. So how water tables work is it gives us that between 0 and 6 kiloliters, it's 0 Rand. It's free, given to us for mahala. Then above 6, but it's less than 30, it's at 10 Rand and 2 cents. So you can see this is where this reading falls into. So we don't get charged for 6 kiloliters. So the amount we get charged, or should I say the Fussy family gets charged, is the 26 kiloliters minus 6 that is free. So that's going to be 20 kiloliters, and this 20 kiloliters fits in this range. So that means we need to multiply the number of kiloliters used by 10 Rand and 2 cents to get its total cost. So our cost is therefore equal to, so it's 0 times your 6 kiloliters plus your 20 times your 10 Rand and 2 cents. So obviously this here comes to 0, so we can drop it immediately. And then we need to put into our calculators 20 times 10 Rand and 2 cents. So this comes to a total of 200 Rand and 40 cents. However, that doesn't end there. It does say there's an additional charge if more than 6 kiloliters is used. So there's this standard 80 Rand and 70 cents that's charged for just a once-off if it's above 6 kiloliters, and we know that it is above 6 kiloliters because it's actually 26 kiloliters. So the total cost is equal to the 200 Rand and 40 cents plus the 80 Rand and 70 cents. Put that into your calculator. So 240 plus 280, well, plus 80 Rand and 70 cents comes to a total of 281 Rand and 10 cents. And that is our final answer for 2.3.1. And then on to the next question. It says calculate the VAT amount that is charged on the additional charge of the 80 Rand and 70 cents. Value added tax, which is VAT, is at 15%. So for this one, we have our, so we'll write down for 2.3.2, VAT is going to equal your 80 Rand and 70 cents multiplied by the 15%. So you can just find 15 and the percent sign on your calculator. If you can't find it, we know that percentage is 15 divided by 100. So it's the 80 Rand and 70 cents multiplied by 15 over 100. This comes to 12 Rand, comma 105. But remember, rands has to be to 2 decimal places, because cents is only up to 2 decimal places. So we need to round this, and it gets rounded up to 12 Rand and 11 cents. And that is your final answer. Before I go, I just want to give a special thanks to our epic sponsor for making these videos possible. Please read more about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. Remember, if you can't find the answer to your question, send us your question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.